Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to send payment request on Payoneer. Start by opening Payoneer on your browser and logging into your account, and then you need to navigate to this menu, get paid menu, then choose request a payment. After that, it will redirect you to this section right here. Now you can simply enter the email, name or company of the someone that you want to request the payment from, and here in the most recent you will find the previous people that you have requested a payment from them. So I will simply click on this one right here, then click on next. After that, it will ask you for the payment details. Choose the currency and here enter the amount. You can type here the description and here is the date of the payment. After that, you can request the payment as someone. I will request it as a video editor, so here I will type anything, and the minimum amount of money that you can request is $20 and it can reach up to $15,000. Then once you finish, click on next, and after that here you will find more options. You can upload here an invoice if you need that. You can attach up to 5 documents, and once you are finished, just click on request payment. And that's pretty much it, and this is how you can actually request a payment on Payoneer. So please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon to get all the new videos. Thanks for watching and goodbye.